In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change and properly set your Google Chrome security and privacy settings. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From there, select Settings and then go to Privacy and Security. When you arrive in Privacy and Security, the first thing to do is run the safety check. This is a built-in Chrome feature that scans for a few important issues in one place. It can alert you to immediate risks, such as weak security settings, harmful extensions, outdated protections, or other privacy concerns that may need attention. Running this check is a good starting point because it gives you a quick overview of anything that should be addressed right away before you continue adjusting settings manually. After the safety check finishes, review the results carefully. If Chrome recommends changes, apply them one by one. This helps make sure your browser is using stronger protection and is not leaving obvious gaps that could expose you to unsafe websites or unnecessary tracking. It also helps you catch problems early, which is always easier than fixing them after an issue occurs. Next, stay in the Privacy and Security section and optimize the key settings that improve your protection against trackers and malicious sites. As you go through these options, focus on settings that strengthen safe browsing and reduce unwanted data collection. These controls are important because they can help block harmful activity in the background, while also giving you more control over what websites are allowed to do during your browsing sessions. Take a moment to read each setting before changing it. Chrome usually provides a short explanation under each option, and that can help you choose the level of protection that best fits how you use the browser. In general, stronger privacy and security settings can help create a safer browsing experience, especially if you regularly visit unfamiliar websites or use Chrome for important accounts and personal activity. Once you have reviewed the safety check and adjusted the most important privacy and security options, your Chrome browser should be better prepared to protect you from common online threats. That covers everything you need to know.